Hello students, I'm Taruna Miss, your English teacher. So as we all are in quarantine period, we will not waste this time. We will learn one poem from the 10th standard textbook. So we will take from unit 1, chapter 1.1, where the mind is without fear. The poet of this poem is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a poet, writer, painter, musician, artist from the Indian subcontinent. He has composed and written National Anthem of India. He was born on 7th May 1861 and died on 7th August 1941 at the age of 80 in Kolkata. He was the author of Gitanjali and its profoundly sensitive, beautiful verse. This poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore during the period when India was struggling for freedom from the British rule. It is a part of Gitanjali, and this poem is a form of a prayer to the God for a true freedom for India. The poem begins with this beautiful line: where the mind is without fear, the head is held high, where knowledge is free. In this, the word held high means dignity. The poet prays to the God that his country person should be free from any kind of fear, where the knowledge should be free and no one should not restricted to some part of the society based on class, caste, gender and other problems. Now the following line: where the world is not broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. In this, the word fragmented means division or divided into parts, and narrow domestic walls means the thinking of division on the basis of caste, religion, color, etc. In this two line, Tagore wishes for a world which should not be divided by the narrow thinking based on caste, religion or other meaningless superstition. The poet described the domestic walls as narrow. The walls are broken into fragments, like the country is separated from each other into different states, language, religion, color, caste, etc. The poet wishes that prejudice and the superstition should not divide people in the group and break their unity. Where words come out from the depth of truth. In this line, it means the truth and loyalty. In this, poet wants the country where people are truthful and loyal. They should not be superstitious and words should come out from the bottom of their heart. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. In this line, Tagore talks about his desire for a country where people would strive without getting tired to reach their perfection. That is your goal, leaving behind all the superstitions and old tradition. Now the next line: where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. In this, he wants to say that the reason or the good habit is an intellectual power in man who helps to move forward to set the perfection and goal. But dead habit describes your superstition and old traditional rituals. Reason is not literally a clear stream, and the power of reason is to dominate the minds of his countrymen. Without any reason, you cannot do anything. So reasons for doing something can make you achieve your goal. Where the mind is led forward by the into ever-widening thought and action. In this, the word the means you. In this, poet wishes his countrymen to be open-minded, broad, creative and progressive. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country away. Through this line, poet expresses his vision of India as a heaven where there is freedom of thought, spirit, faith, truth, trust, loyalty, which will lead to the inner perfection of the self. It is to be noted that the heaven of freedom, which poet has praised, is not the heaven of political and economic freedom, but a spiritual freedom from fear, narrow-mindedness, and evil desire. Poet also appeals to God for social, educational, and economic freedom for the people of India. I hope you all understood the poem. Thus, Tagore wants spiritual, intellectual, and political freedom for his country. He thought society ought to strive for perfection. You will get the set of PDF of the textbook and you can learn and revise it properly. Kindly download this app. I hope you all understood the poem. Please do the revision daily. Thank you.